Hello students, today's topic is constant of Poisson distribution. As we know, the mean and variance are the constant. So let's find the mean and variance of the Poisson distribution, which are the constant of Poisson distribution. So let's start with the mean. As we know, mean can be written in this way, Ex. Again, by definition, Ex is equal to summation of x px. Okay. Now as we are doing for Poisson distribution, so in place of px we write the probability function of the Poisson distribution. This is the function form of the Poisson distribution, so we write that here. So the form is this will be summation x goes from 0 to infinity x e raised to the power lambda, lambda raised to the power x, x factorial. Now let cancel this x, so we split this in this way, x minus 1 factorial. Now x will cancel, so in the next step we write e raised to the power minus lambda outside because no x term is there, so we can bring it outside. Then summation goes from 0 to infinity, then what left, lambda raised to the power x and x minus 1 factorial. Now look here, it is now we need to expand this. So before that, let me make it same as here in the denominator it is x minus 1, so here also we put x minus 1, so that same will come. So it is lambda raised to the power x minus 1, so we need to add one lambda here because we have put here minus 1 power, so one lambda should be here. So we have written lambda here, and then the form will be changed and the range also change. It will from 1 to infinity. Earlier it was 0 to infinity, now it will change to 1 to infinity because when we put here 1 it will be 0, lambda raised to the power 0. So now we let expand this summation. Okay, so the outside lambda e raised to the power minus lambda. Now the first term of this series will be, when we put x is equal to 1, it will be lambda 0. Lambda 0 is 1 and 0 factorial is 1. So first term will be 1. Now when we put x is equal to 2 here, it will be lambda and here 1 factorial. So the second term will be this. Like that we write all the term of the series. Now this is an exponential series, as we did earlier. E raised to the power x means 1 plus x by 1 factorial plus x square by 2 factorial, like that. So it is an exponential series form. So here in place of x, here it is lambda, so we write e raised to the power lambda. So lambda e raised to the power minus lambda and e raised to the power lambda. Now this 2 will cancel, what left, lambda. So the mean of the Poisson distribution is lambda. Now this can also be solved in this way, directly also you can solve. Look here, this is the form, okay, ex form. Now directly you put x is equal to 0 here, then it will be 0 divided by 0 factorial, so this first term will be 0. Now the second term, when you put x is equal to 1 here, you will get this term. Next, when you put x is equal to 2, you will get this term. When x is equal to 3, you will get this term. Now take this common, the series, it will like this series. Then again the series is e raised to the power lambda, so it will be lambda e raised to the power minus lambda e raised to the power lambda. Now after simplifying, you will get again answer lambda. So I either you can solve in this way or you can solve in this way. Okay, so two way are there of solving or finding the mean of the Poisson distribution. Now let's come to the variance. As we know, variance is expectation of x square minus expectation of whole square. As we done this part above here, so e of x we know, which is lambda. Now we need to find only this part, which is e x square. So we write here e x square is equal to, by definition it is summation of x square px. So we write x square px form is this, so we put here Poisson distribution function. Now next step, we need to split this x square, otherwise it is quite difficult to solve this. So we need to split this x square. So x square can be written in this way, because when we multiply x into x square minus x plus x, so we add here plus x minus x and then take x common, we will get this. Okay, now this as it is, this is the Poisson distribution form we have written, only we have expanded this x square in this way. Okay, now in the next step we write this up to here, and then the probability function plus a summation of x into probability function. That means we split this into two parts. First part is up to here and the second part is this. Now look at the second part. This we have done above, but same as we have done here. This is the form of Ex. So as we know, Ex is lambda, so directly we write for this part using 1 we can write lambda. Okay, or now we need to find this part which is x minus 1 e raised to the power lambda lambda raised to the power x divided by x factorial. Okay, so need to solve this. So for that, first we look at this here. Now if you make this split this, we can cancel this part, so we can write this denominator x factorial in this way: x minus 1 x minus 2 factorial. Now this part will be cancelled. Okay, now what left? X minus 2 factorial. Now above it is here lambda raised to the power x, so we make it also x minus 2, so which will help to solve this part. So when we put x minus 2 here, minus 2 here, so we need to add here put here lambda square. Okay, so we put here lambda square, that's why we put here minus 2. So now the range also will change, because we have we put here minus 2, so the range will be x goes from 2 to infinity. Okay, it will not 0, now it will be 2 to infinity, because here it is x minus 2, so we put, when we put 2 we get 0, the first term will be 0, so we get 0. So now we need to expand this. So when we expand this, this is the form. When we put x is equal to 2, 3 like that, we will get this series plus lambda. Now e raised to the power minus lambda, lambda square. Then this series is again e raised to the power lambda, so we write e raised to the power lambda and the this lambda which is plus lambda. So now after simplifying, what we get? Lambda square plus lambda. Now this is the e of x square. Now the variance, as we know, variance is the formula is this. So e of x square value is lambda square plus lambda, so we put here lambda square plus lambda, and ex is lambda, so it is lambda square, so it is here lambda square. After simplifying, we get lambda. So the variance of the Poisson distribution is also lambda. So we did the mean and variance of the Poisson distribution, and here both mean and variance of the Poisson distribution is lambda. Thank you.